Hi guys, I'm Hazel and I am Hazel from Science with Hazel. This channel's been going for about 3 years now and it's undergone quite an evolution since its inception 3 years ago. That's a good biological word right there. And so I thought it was about time I made a new updated intro video to tell you a bit more about the channel, a bit more about me, so you can use it to your best advantage. So first of all, I'm Hazel. I'm a qualified science teacher, so I did a postgraduate certificate of education, which is a PGCE, which is actually the way in which I became a qualified science teacher, teaching all 3 sciences. In terms of my background before then, I studied at St John's College, University of Cambridge, where I was actually training to be a vet. So my degree is in preclinical veterinary medicine because for one reason or another I just decided I didn't actually want to be a vet. So yeah, I hope you can see that my pedigree is good and that I've got an awful lot of science background, which makes me well placed to actually make these videos. Now in terms of what you'll find at Science with Hazel, you'll find a lot of videos which just go through the material you'll need for both GCSE and IGCSE. I've tried to cover as many of those exam boards as possible to make my videos as relevant to as many people as possible, and over the coming months you'll find that I'll be adding more content aimed at some of the other exam boards that I haven't covered fully, so CIE, EdExcel people, look out for that. So yeah, you'll find topic videos, and on most of these videos you'll find past paper questions that relate to the content, so it's a good way of checking that you actually understand everything I've said in the video. Alongside that you'll find exam paper talk-throughs, so I'll take a paper, I'll talk through every single question, telling you what the examiners are looking for. Now these are a real pain to make, so a lot of you do ask me to write it down, and the real truth of it is that I hate making these so much that the only way I can actually make them is by doing talk-throughs. I obviously write down the calculations because you do need to see how that is done, but I won't be starting to write it down anytime soon. I think it's because my iPad Stilo thing doesn't work very well together. And then you'll also find Quickfire Questions, which is when I make quickfire questions on particular topics, such as organic chemistry. So I'll whiz through things like, what is the term saturated? What does that mean? What is a hydrocarbon? And I'll provide the perfect answer straight after, so you can practice using those. Other social media channels, you'll find me on Instagram. Now I've been adding loads of quickfire there. I've been adding past paper questions. It's a great way of checking your knowledge really quickly. I add the perfect answers, show you how I arrived at the answers. So you should go check me out there, Science with Hazel. And then Facebook, I do some updates there, but to be honest, it's more Instagram and YouTube. Lastly, Snapchat, you can come follow me there too. And there you'll find that I'll add stuff more about my life, probably a bit further away from science. So yeah, that is the full Science with Hazel picture. And I really hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to keep on top on my latest uploads, and yeah, get in contact.